Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Today we are in Marrakesh. As you can see, we've been here before a number of times, and this time we're going to be checking out a few things like different types of food and things like that. So it is midday, but there's one of the things that we need to try, which is called shwa, which is where they bury meat under the ground and it gets slow cooked under coal or underground. And there's one guy here who's really famous, so we're going to try to find him. As you can see, it's not very busy at the moment. el-fnaa and the old Medina generally tend to come to light at night time. In this market, obviously, they sell everything from fruit, veg, to clothing, to general household items, and it is obviously world famous. If you're watching the video, you probably already know that. Millions of people come every single year to Marrakesh for a show. Here they're making a famous dish from Marrakesh called tangia, where they slow cook the meat in those pots, and you can make it a sandwich or you can just have the meat as it is. The one that we're looking for is a famous one called Lamin al-Hajj Mustafa. So yeah, I believe it's in this direction, but we'll soon find out. لا شكرا. A lot of tour shops as well, which offer all these services such as hot air balloons and camel rides and buggies and quads and all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of places which have spices and also places that make juice fresh, which is a really good thing. So this is a place where I previously bought some Moroccan biscuits from. It's called Patisserie Fatima, where the Kab Ghazal, which is one of the famous sweets I bought from here. There you can see a dude cooking his lunch. That's waiting for business. It's the quality bread man as well. Here you can see they have different spices for tea, different mixtures of tea as well, different spices. So here you got the chamomile, and you can see there's other things as well, which are all natural. And people do tend to come to Marrakesh to buy these kind of things, and they can grind it down to powders for you as well. And some Moroccan harissa powder. Harissa is one of the spices, or spice mixtures from Morocco. Different shade to cumin you tend to get in the West. You can see every other type of spice. What's it?
Finna. Sandos
One of the things you have to buy when you come to Marrakesh is fresh olives. Here they have a great selection. So ones with lemon, pickle, chili, a few other variety of different olives as well. We also do pickled lemons and harissa paste, as well as a few other things. And the deeper you go into the Medina, the better deals you're going to find. And it becomes a bit of a maze after that. Of course, the ones on the entrances, they're going to charge more because they have a lot more footfall. It's very easy to get lost because another thing which is a must is fresh juice, which these guys can make any type of juice that you want as a blend or as an individual fruit. And as you can see, there are loads of these stands all over el-fnaa. So there's a few of these places who basically on the griddle they can do mixed meat, chicken, sausages, and basically you can choose your meat. Once you've chosen the meat, they stir fry it with some vegetables and yeah, tomatoes, onions, and they grill it for you, and it is very cost effective. Food here as well. We've got grilled meats, we've got tagines, tangiers, and all sorts of things as well.
herbal tea. 73 dirhams. We only serve a few things like this. Sweets and a lot of it's supposed to be really strong. Give it a try.